Welcome WABAM U. Now we're going to talk about our glaze. Once you have cleaned your interior with WABAM Vivid, you're going to go over with glaze. It is a vinyl, plastic, and leather protectant and conditioner. It's a UV protectant and a conditioner. The way we apply this, we will spray it into our microfiber and we will wipe it onto our leather surface or plastic or vinyl. All this. Now you can sit here and watch it level out. You might have to hit another spot. It's going to soak up into your leather, and then turn your rag over and knock it down for whatever your personal preference, however you would like it to look. Want a little more shine, knock it down, but it'll give you that UV protection and bring that leather right back. And that is WABAM Glaze.